When goals are set high, when the horizon is broadened, when challenges are scaled up, when the soul has fire within and the stature has spirit and thirst to stand out, then no dream is so big which cannot be realized. GSA Industries, a rising star, has grown up into an infrastructure worth more than $20 million and is spread across 26 acres of land. With a workforce of about 2,500 personnel. As a startup, it commenced its journey in a small shed at Patiala in Punjab in the year 1995. With just one lathe machine and a meager investment of $400. The infrastructure houses 5 business verticals: ring carrier and sand casting plant, steel forging piston plant, piston pin plant, gear plant, and agri-zone agricultural implements plant. The ongoing success story of GSA Industries, clocking a turnover of $58 million, sets a goal to achieve a target of $380 million by the year 2032. The ring carrier plant at GSA Industries is meeting 95% of Indian market needs for Alpine rings and has also captured over 35% of the world market through dedicated teamwork, reliable infrastructure, passionate management, and continued customer support. The plant is producing 3.5 million Alpine rings per month. Toyota, BMW, Renault, Mercedes are few of world's top brands which are fulfilling demand for quality Alpine rings with absolute satisfaction. GSA Industries has zero tolerance for any compromise while procuring raw material which is well protected from rain and every possible environmental hazard. The procured raw material undergoes rigorous testing at in-house NABL certified ultra-modern metallurgy laboratory, equipped with world-class spectrometers, hardness testers, metallurgical microscopes, and top-notch LICO testing machine for combustion analysis. The foundry is equipped with 3 sets of furnaces. The selected melt from these furnaces is cleared to casting process only after its chemical testing on spectrometer. The workforce is well trained, monitored, and continuously updated for melt requirements. Casting division has 4 world-class 8-station machines in addition to 10 centrifugal casting units. The melt transfer monorail system ensures the delivery to the last of the centrifugal casting machines within 4 minutes. Casting sleeves are sampled for microstructure, hardness testing, and then shot blasted to make these free of slurry and impurities before storing them in blank store. Casted sleeves undergo for 100% dry machining at parting and finish machining process and further undergo shot blasting whenever required. Rings are then moved to humidity chamber immediately, where relative humidity is maintained at less than 40% RH. Final inspection of finished Alpine rings is undertaken by alert quality control team. Each and every ring undergoes some of the critical dimensional checks besides complete visual scrutiny at inspection area. Finally, packaging is done as per customer's recommended packing plan. With strong hunger for expansion, GSA Industries decided for optimal utilization of the melting furnaces, and as such went on to set up a sand casting plant. To meet the rising customer demand for quality products including SG iron pistons, the casting plant started supplying automotive and non-automotive parts worldwide. In the year 2019, the company got a challenging but great business growth opportunity in the form of manufacturing of steel forged pistons, which could replace the aluminum pistons. With hard work and dedication, combined with professionalism, GSA Industries became the first manufacturer in India for steel forged pistons and got their samples approved in the very first instance. The plant started delivering steel forged pistons of global standards and is having the capacity to produce 3 million per year steel forged pistons, with provision to further boost its capability to manufacture by more than 1 million pieces every year. True to the saying of gold in, gold out, at GSA Industries, procurement of steel bars passes through a stringent incoming inspection with zero compromise in various testing parameters in their in-house metallurgical lab accredited to NABL, that is, which validates the chemical, metallurgical, physical and mechanical properties of the raw material as well as the products being produced in the plant. The professionals at Research and Development Center produce exclusive and precise 2D drawings and 3D design and modeling for tooling and dies, followed by their verification with simulation software. Machining of tooling and dies is done using CAM software on world-class machining infrastructure, which includes 5-axis machining equipment besides the routine CMCs and VMCs. Steel bar cutting process utilizes best-in-class circular saws for billet cutting, with capability to control weight within ±10 grams. Billets heating is done using best-in-class induction heating system with 3 ways accept-reject system. SCADA system past billets move to forging process. The production facility is equipped with 3 production lines. The first line is equipped with 700 kilowatt induction heater along with 2500 ton hot forging press. Second and third production lines each are equipped with 350 kilowatt induction heaters along with 1000 ton hot forging presses with direct gear drive programmable HMI screw press. All production lines are equipped with trimming presses, manipulators, conveyors and specially designed controlled cooling system for micro-alloy steel. CQI 9 compliant heat treatment furnace enjoys a capacity of 1000 kg per hour for low carbon steel and can perform normalizing, hardening, tempering and annealing. Facility for both oil and polymer quenching is available as per requirement. SCADA system continuously monitors furnace temperature and other key parameters. Tumbler-type shot blasting machines with auto-loading and unloading conveyor are used to remove scale from forged pistons. Then 100% of the forged pistons undergo crack detection using magnetic particle inspection machines to ensure shipping of crack-free forged pistons to the customers. Facility to do pinhole drilling, pin dot marking for identification and traceability through data matrix code and other identification information as required by the customer is available. Finally, rust prevention oil application is done by dipping process followed by packing as per customer's recommended packing plan. Pin plant. A pin plant equipped with world-class manufacturing facility for producing gudgeon pins is having best-in-class circular saws, SPM drilling machines and CNC turning centers in place, with a capacity to produce 4.5 million pins per year in semi-finished condition This plant has capability to manufacture a range of pins from 19 mm to 45 mm diameter. For inspection of profiles, contour tracer and surface roughness tester are in place. In the year 2020, some farming communities approached GSA Industries to help them get good quality farming equipment for cultivation and managing their fields. That was the beginning of another business vertical rightly named as Agri-Zone. The design and development team studied the feasibility of entering in this new field, and GSA Industries ventured into manufacturing agricultural implements like rotavator, super seeder, reaper,
potato digger,
laser leveler, along with other products. Starting with a bang, Agri-Zone achieved a turnover of $5 million within the first 6 months of its operations. The in-house manufacturing of all the parts of implements boosted the confidence of farmers, and turnover grew to over $12.5 million the very next year. Complete fabrication facility, casting unit, forging unit and its own powder coating section are the backbone of Agri-Zone. Forged parts are machined on the best-in-class CNC turning centers, along with facility for hobbing, shaving and broaching of gears. Complete in-house gearbox assembly line makes Agri-Zone the only company in agriculture industry which gives 2 years warranty on gears. Assembly lines are equipped with best technology toolings and equipments. In-process quality checks are mandatory before the implements are dispatched to customers. Feedback from the farmer community is highly encouraging, and Agri-Zone has become the envy of its competitors in this new field. GSA Industries sustains a distinctive position by rigidly implementing and remaining certified to global certification standards of automotive industry, environment and safety such as IATF 16949, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001. The company has some unique systems for all processes in place such as SAP S/4HANA, Visual Factory and Gemba training for operating staff. Customers' delight is ensured through sustained efforts of all working hands at GSA Industries. GSA Industries is proving its mettle as a highly reliable manufacturer even for stakeholders in national defense sector. The company works for parallel growth with business partners, following the theme, Let's Grow Together. Fresh dose of energy and excitement is infused with rejuvenating sports and cultural activities. Healthy and full of nutrition food is made available to all the employees. Adhering to the pledge of corporate social responsibilities, the company has adopted a government school located in its vicinity where, besides arranging regular midday meals, the school building has been renovated and a computer room has been provided. Medical and blood donation camps are a regular feature at GSA Industries. These generous acts are highly appreciated by concerned authorities and public at large. The awards and accolades achieved by GSA Industries are a result of the unmatched dedication of its personnel. The dedicated team which is following the path shown by its enthused leadership. The workforce which is inspired, which is passionate, which is focused to touch the horizon. GSA Industries, an inspiration for excellence.